Is target location confirmed?
Target location confirmed. We're sending you coordinates now.
We're 3 knots out and this line has been compromised. Stand your ground.
Copy that, JPC. Target has reached 6+ million views on last data upload. So, sir, Godspeed.
What's up, JPC gang? Welcome back to another episode of Jam Pack Cooking. That's right, it's your boy Chef Ray, Mr. Money, and today we got a whole problem on our hands. COVID mission. It's a new sheriff in town. Fried chicken sheriff, that is. Fried chicken gang, Quantran, baseability. JPC gang, maximum crispification, flavorification, and all the education. This is a whole nother situation. Quantran, go tag the man. Jam Pack Cooking. Let's eat. 41. Let's go, baby. What's up, JPC gang? Welcome back. We knocking out some Southern fried buttermilk chicken to the max. You know our fried chicken gang through the roof. And I've been hearing about this young boy around town, the young boy, Quantran. You right there, yeah, you. They say your fried chicken gang. Mr. Money, Chef Ray, fried chicken gang, maximum flavorification, maximum crispification. Coming right at your neck. This is how we're gonna start. We got about an 8-piece dog, however you want it. Quantran, this is for you. We got the dog meat today. So to start this off, we're gonna do it right. Let's get all of this yicken right down into a bowl. It wouldn't be my fried yicken without the marinade. So we cleaned that chicken and we're gonna get we got about a 50-50 buttermilk hot sauce. Whatever, use your favorite hot sauce, use your favorite buttermilk. Just make sure it's enough in there to submerge this chicken. I don't think they doing it like that over there at the Trend residence. You know, over there where they got the game. This is the real game. We'll get this in here, man. Let this marinate minimum 2 hours. We got all day. Cover it up. You know how it go. Put it in the ice box. Let's go. Fried chicken in the marinade. Yeah, you messed up this time, baby. Let's go. That's the buttermilk done. Check this out. Bring another bowl in here. We threw 3 eggs in here. The rest of it is buttermilk. 3 eggs with some buttermilk. That's gonna be our egg wash. We threw about maybe a teaspoon of SPG in there because we don't want nothing bland. No baseability today because we coming for you, man. We gotta have something to bread this chicken in. Maybe 4 cups of all-purpose flour. Tablespoon of black pepper. Tablespoon of poultry seasoning. You know, all the herbs and the spices and the spices. Right up top, we got a tablespoon of smoked paprika, and down below, that's the magic. Tablespoon chicken bouillon. This is where we different at. This is where it get a little interesting. Y'all ain't doing it like that, Mr. Quantran. I'm gonna get your name right, young boy, but check this out. Magic dust. BigSmokeysBBQ.com for your magic dust. Tablespoon of the magic dust. Maybe a tablespoon and a half because it's definitely magical. Teaspoon SPG. Give it a mix. The best seasoned flour you ever gonna taste right here. That's that straight out of Texas fried chicken dipification right there, okay? Okay. This is gonna create that crispification with the dipification. Let's get some fire up under our cast iron. That's another thing. That's a whole nother situation. What you cooking in, stop it. Cast iron, you hear me? Matter of fact, I'm gonna send you a cast iron skillet just to make this fire. No, I'm not. 4 or 5 cups of your favorite frying oil. This here, Crisco. Look at my hands, they're a little ashy right now, but they clean. Guess what I'm gonna put on the moistification in them. Crisco. Come on with it, Mr. Tran, but listen, we got about a couple cups AP flour, all-purpose flour in there. We're gonna bring this all up to about, 350-ish. You don't wanna go no higher than 360. The buttermilk and the hot sauce done its job. We got the spicification, it's tender, the tenderification. Y'all know I'm gonna hit you with a lot of education. If you wonder why you always vacation, it's education, you hear me? Chef Ray, Mr. Money got you. This is the education part about this. Slightly hit them with the tenderizer. So it made that chicken real tender and the hot sauce gave it a little spicification, baby. Nobody want anything bland. So get your chicken out of the mixture, out of the brine. That was a buttermilk hot sauce brine, 50-50, 1-to-1 mix. To season that chicken, it's got everything we need to take care of them people over there treading in shark water. You jumped in there and shark infested pool, my guy. Y'all make sure you tag them, you hear me? Because we ain't been doing this, maybe give us a year, not even a year. You can consider us the underdog. But when it comes to this fried chicken gang, take about a tablespoon right down onto your chicken. This is SPG, salt, pepper, and garlic. You don't want to go too heavy. It's about a tablespoon of magic dust. Get all that mixed. We want to get all them seasoning dispersed well throughout this chicken. All right, that oil about 350, 355. It's a little bit over, but that's okay, because once we throw our chicken in there, guess what's going to happen? The temperature going to drop. And I know you probably know that, Corn Trend, but let me show you how to bread this chicken. So we're gonna start out with these drumsticks. Get us some free drums in the AP flour. Now this is just regular all-purpose flour right here. This is gonna help this egg wash stick to these drumsticks and help out with that crispification. So straight out of the AP flour into the egg wash. Straight out the egg wash, right into the batter. Make sure you drip that off of there, get most of that excess. Don't let them piss on your shoulder and tell you it's raining. You have to get in here. Get that chicken a good mash. Put some pressure on it. Shake off all the excess. Get up off of there. And I guarantee you, this gonna have maximum crispification into the grease. Yeah, that's what you want. Fry, baby, fry. Quintran, whine, cry. You can wonder why. The truth of the matter is, we holding it down. Of course, it's frying up, looking real good, so let's throw our splash guard on there. We gonna guard, that's the hater guard. Call that the hater blocker. Don't hate on our fried chicken. Don't overcrowd your grease. Get you about 4-piece. A 4-piece is good. You want to bring these up to about 165 Fahrenheit internal temperature. Quintran, if you didn't know. I still got my chicken here, and I'm finna get the rest of this chicken breaded. And we on your neck. Let's go, baby. I'm talking about big crunch, big crispification. Yeah, big old drip. What they look at that? Let's pull this chicken, man. Full of yicky. You see the crispification? GBD, Mr. Tran, golden brown and delicious. JPC gang, go ahead. Take a smell it. It smell good, don't it? Look at it. It look good, don't it? I can tell you it feel good. Quintran, this is what we got, man. We whip you up an 8-piece hot on a bed of fries. You got your corn on the cob, you know what I mean? And then you can't forget about the white bread. Somebody go tag this, man. I know he got all them big million numbers, but please, Mr. Tran, don't ignore us little people. The little big people count, you heard me? Weapon of choice today, we're gonna go with the cleaver. I know, I told y'all about the big crunch and the crispification and all that. I got to show you. Big crispification, you hear me? Hot, juicy, crispy, done all the way to the bone. With the crispification and the juicification and the flavorification to the max. Come on, man. When it comes to this fried chicken game, Quintran, stop playing. Hey, my brother, I appreciate what you do, but you've done it long enough. I got you. This is hot honey. I'll leave the recipe to the hot honey down in the description. You're gonna come right over here and you're gonna drizzle. Yeah, drizzle. Don't be scared. You don't gotta put too much, but it's hot honey. With the spicification and sweet, it's that Yucatan honey, straight out of Mexico. But I'm from the South, so you know I need my hot honey. This is what we gonna do. Come here, baby. this chicken. You know good and well we ain't gonna take one bite. This is a hell of a sight. Excuse me while I go take a shower. I'll be right back. Come on. Come on, Quan. Come on. No negativity, no violence. Please, sir. It was crime for us to put a fried chicken video on the channel. We delivered. They told me to, hey, check out the young boy Quan Tran. I said, wait a minute, who? They said Quan Tran. I said, let me go see. Hey, good job. Good job. Hey man, salute to the homie Quan Tran. Salute to all my JPC gang members. If you ain't a member, right now you can become part of the family by going down over there, tapping that look. You see it. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to ring the bell. Be a part of the notification gang. I love you for watching. I appreciate you for watching, good people. I hope you still washing your hands, quarantining, clean hands. Until next time, peace and love.